Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can password protect a PDF file. So I have this PDF file on my desktop which is a sample PDF. I will open it for you and it has around 30 pages. So we will password protect this file over here. Now all you have to do is you need to go to this website ilovepdf.com and you need to scroll down and you need to click on this protect PDF and we'll select the PDF over here. We'll check on desktop and click on sample PDF and you can set the password over here. For example, I will set 1 2 3 4 5 6 and you can just check it also 1 2 3 4 5 6. I will click on protect PDF and now I will go ahead and download the protected PDF. Now I will open the folder over here and I will simply paste it over here and I will try to open this PDF now. As you can see, it's asking me for a password. So I will simply go ahead and put 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click on OK. And as you can see, my PDF is now open. So it is this simple to password protect your PDF. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.